Okay, which is the moment you'll remember the most from the film?
I think it'd be the time when you, Adi, and Yarshi came to me after that one trolley show, that the single shot that we did, when I was screaming at Suri, at you. I think that, not because I was screaming at you, but because, you know, the way you guys came and told me that you did a good job and thank you for being a part of our film.
But tell me, do you remember the lines of the dialogue?
Yeah.
Bolo.
ये क्या तमाशा है? क्या जरूरत थी ये सब करने की? क्या आपको पता नहीं कि आप एक एवरेज वर्किंग क्लास आदमी हैं जो हर दिन चश्मा लगाकर 4x4 के कमरे में कंप्यूटर के सामने बैठकर काम करता है? कोई हीरो नहीं है आप जो अपने तो 4 गुना आगे लड़ाई करने निकल पड़े? क्या साबित करना चाहते थे आप? हाँ? Do you want to go on?
Yeah,
Bolo?
yeah, I want to hear this.
No, Shahrukh.
I love it. I love it when you talk dirty to me. Go on. Say it. I get turned on with this.
Shahrukh, stop it. Please, that's the first time ever.
Okay, do you want to ask me something?
You have played Raj, DDLJ, Rahul, kuch kuch hota hai. So many, you know, names, so many characters. Suri now. Who is Shah Rukh Khan? Have we seen like glimpses of you in your characters? You know, like you might say, वो जो मैंने कहता ना, मैं actually वैसा हूँ. Or it's just something different that no one's ever seen.
And I'll say two things about this, because now I've started to analyze, because I think I'm important enough to analyze it. Earlier I never used to. I just used to play it off the cuff. But one is, I'm uncomfortable being Shah Rukh Khan. I don't like being me. So I like being someone else. I'm maybe, you know, people who are not happy with themselves, I think they become actors. They're never self-obsessed. They are not vain. And they actually don't like themselves. That's why I want to be a Raj, I want to be a Suri, I want to be Batman, I want to be Superman. Every morning I wake up not wanting to be me. People, I find it very envious. I look at people and if they're comfortable with them, I say, God, what a wonderful life they have. They don't know. Yeah, I have this desire to be someone else every moment of my life. And the second part is, you know, the lines have blurred. I wrote in a book, I've written a book, which I have not published yet. But I have written in a book that I also have stopped knowing who I am now. You know, I cannot recognize myself now when the camera is not on. And sometimes even when the camera is on, I don't recognize myself anymore. So the lines are blurring. You know, it's very strange, but I don't know, am I happy being Raj or Raj is happy like me? I can't tell the difference. I can't tell it anymore. Maybe that's why a lot of people think that I act like me. But even I don't know if I act like me or not. You know, it's very strange. It's not trying to confuse or intellectualize acting. When something real happens now, we should be sad. I don't know whether I'm acting it out or I'm hoping I do it well. And, you know, sometimes somebody says something to me and I'm feeling really bad for them. And then I start feeling wrong. Am I really feeling bad? Or am I just acting this stuff out?
I don't know. I don't want to. I don't know. I know what you're saying. I know what you're saying.
And I don't want that feeling to end. I'm happy not knowing who I am. I don't want to know. This is the true answer. This is the truest answer I can do.
No, I think I understand what you're saying.
Yeah, I've done some really nice guys, I think. And I feel very close to them. I love them. I walk like them. I talk like them. Like Suri, I can keep on saying lines without ever having to think. Or so many characters like Don. I can do it. Chak De, Kabir Khan. I can just do it like this, even now. But as soon as it ends, I want to go away and be someone else. And every film that I've done, and I say this honest to God, I think I've done 60 of them now, and honest to God, I have never ever done a film in which I have not left a part of me. Some scene, some moment, some shot, and I know it also. I've left a part of me where I felt, oh, this is real. This was me, and I've left it. And I have one fear. I have one fear in my life, that I have done so many films, and in every film I'm leaving a part of me. I wake up one morning, and there'll be no more parts to leave. And that's the time it's time for me to leave acting. So I get scared.
Raj, Suri, Don, Rahul combine and make Shah Rukh Khan.
Or none of them.
Or none of
you
them.
Know, somebody, I was telling someone that I'd like to get them into a room and chat with them one day. And say, are you happy being Don? Because I don't know if I was happy doing it. There's so many things I do and I don't know. I can't describe it. Maybe that's why I keep acting. I'm always acting. I think the only time I don't act is when I'm sleeping. But I can't see me, maybe then I'm also acting. Why all the time acting, man? I'm never real. I don't know who I am. I just keep acting all the time. You know, earlier I used to act when the camera comes on. I'm very shy personally. I'm very reclusive personally. I'm very quiet personally. I'm quite boring. Actually, I'm a lot like Suri personally. And if the camera comes on and pop, I can. 5 people are standing, pop. I can do any role that I wish to, and I enjoy that more than enjoy being with myself.
So how different and special is Rab Ne for you as compared to all the other characters and all the other films that you've done? Because Adi says that you're really in love with this film.
I love the film. I'm mad about the film. I'm also very happy that Adi decided to make a film like this. Adi is very close to me, and I think it's very brave of him to think of a film like this. You know, he's got this huge monkey on his back. He's made Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge. So every time, any time he's going to make a film, everybody's going to compare it to Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge. And that's a monkey on your back. That's an issue. When you are extremely successful, you lose the ability to shock people. You know, you lose the ability to surprise people, because everybody expects the unexpected from you already. You know, so you lose the ability. So you have to try extra hard. When you try extra hard, sometimes that hard attempt only goes wrong. You know, that's only what screws up. So it's a big issue when you're successful. Like I said, this film is not thought out, he's felt. And he's done it. So I'm really happy. It's very, very special. And the most special part about the film is that you're in it. So for me, I'll always remember it because Anushka Sharma was in Rab Ne Bana Di Jodi, my Tani ji. And as I go, I'll sit down. I've never had the chance to romance with her. And she's never had a chance to romance either. She's talking about beaches, so she doesn't know. So let me hold her hand and say, I love you. And thank you very much for being a part of our film. And I want to tell everyone जी कि ये मेरी तानी जी हैं जी, और मैंने आपको बताया था कि मेरा येलो कलर फेवरेट है, ऑरेंज सेकंड फेवरेट है, आज इन्होंने ब्लैक पहना है तो ये फेवरेट हो गया है जी, अगर ये कुछ ना पहने तो वो भी मेरा फेवरेट ही होगा जी. बट इट इज बीन वेरी वेरी नाइस टू बी विद हर. शी इज A1 जी, एंड दिस फिल्म इज A1 बिकॉज ऑफ तानी जी. और जो हम अभी करने वाले हैं वो आप इस शो में देख नहीं सकते, तो जी फिर मैं अपना हेड जो है इनकी लैप पर रेस्ट करूंगा और ये मुझे एक प्यारा सा हग देंगे जी. थैंक यू. और हमारा फर्स्ट पब्लिक किस भी मैं आपको थैंक यू वेरी मच एंड गॉड ब्लेस यू.